Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa, and today I'm so excited to share my 2025 planner and journal lineup. Planning and journaling have been such a joy for me, and as I head into another year, I'm sticking with what works while making the most of the stationery I already own. If you're still deciding on your planner or journal system for the year, don't worry. I'll share some tips at the end to help you make intentional choices. So let's get started. Looking back at 2024, my system included the Onyx Boox digital notebook for my dailies, lists, and collections, and a Starbucks campus planner for my monthly and weekly planning. Next is my Leuchtturm Pocket notebook for daily journaling, a trusty Chic Sparrow traveler's notebook for creative journaling, memory keeping, and junk journaling, traveler's notebook passport for travel notes, and a regular TM for scrapbook style travel journaling. This year, I'm making slight adjustments, but keeping the foundation that has worked so well. For 2025, my main planner will be this undated A5 size Uniqlo Planner, which is a freebie from their recent anniversary sale. I've started using this planner last December to test it out, and so far I'm liking the spacious layout. The weekly pages provide ample room to write detailed tasks, appointments, and notes, while the monthly overview is perfect for high-level planning and goal tracking. This Uniqlo Planner has monthly spreads, which I use for general overview of the entire month. It allows me to see an overview of each month at a glance, which helps me plan ahead more effectively. Additionally, it features a weekly spread that gives me the opportunity to add more entries and makes it easy to migrate tasks. If my weekly spread is not enough, there are available blank pages at the back of this Uniqlo Planner for daily logs and notes. The left page of each weekly spread is where I'll put events, appointments, or tasks that need to be done on a specific day and time. This allows me to visually map out my schedule in detail for the week. Meanwhile, the right page is perfect for listing my running to-do list that I want to check off sometime throughout the week, notes, and a waiting on section for deliveries or pending mail that I'd like to keep an eye on. I also include a currently list for what I'm reading and watching. So by having separate pages, I can clearly distinguish time-specific events versus general tasks to accomplish each week. Although the design is simple, I wanted to make it more personal, so I decorated the cover page and monthly pages in advance using pet tapes and washi tapes from the washi tape shop. Additionally, I added monthly tabs from the Traveler's Company for easier navigation and a binder clip as a DIY pen holder to keep my favorite pen always accessible. Decorating in advance helps me avoid distractions during the planning process, letting me focus entirely on the planning when the time comes. Since I'm using a modified bullet journal system, I'll handle the collections and lists in my Onyx digital notebook. This digital tool is fantastic for organizing ideas, tracking goals, and keeping everything in one place without cluttering my physical planner. I can easily organize these into different folders so I can find everything easily. Next is my 2025 journaling lineup. First is a daily journal. I'll finish up the remaining pages in my Leuchtturm Pocket notebook before transitioning to a Hobonichi graph notebook, Yamazakura in A6 size, which is housed in this gorgeous rose macaron leather cover that I got back in 2017. This journal is my private space for morning pages, reflections, gratitude, and dream journaling. There's no pressure to decorate the pages of my daily journal as my primary focus is on writing. Since this journal contains my private thoughts, I won't be sharing it often or that much on social media. For creative journaling, junk journaling, and memory keeping, there are no changes here. I'll continue using my Chic Sparrow Creme Brulee regular traveler's notebook. It holds 4 inserts. First is a list of journal prompts, my junk journal for collaging and mementos. Third is a memory keeping insert for milestones and adventures. And lastly, a creative journal for quotes and prompts. This system keeps everything organized and inspires me to journal regularly. For travel note-taking, I'll continue using my Traveler's Company Passport TN in Camel for international trips. For local trips, I'll still be using my Galen leather number 33 Field Notes cover and Crazy Horse Stand. Since I prefer traveling light, both are portable and durable, making them perfect travel companions. Next is my scrapbook travel journal. This is where I curate photos, tickets, and ephemera to create a visual memory of each trip. I update this scrapbook whenever I have time without any pressure to do it immediately, which is sometimes years after the trip. By having notes in my Passport TM as a reference, I won't have trouble recalling the details of my trip when preparing my scrapbook travel journal. At first glance, this pile of notebooks may seem overwhelming, but I don't use all of them every day. Each journal has a specific purpose in my routine, which helps me stay organized without feeling cluttered. I know some people prefer using a single notebook for everything, but over the years, I've learned that a segmented system works best for me. So when choosing your planner and journal for this year, here are some tips. First is to stick with what works. If your current system is functional, there's no need to switch. There's beauty in consistency, and sticking with what you know works well for you, which can save time and effort. Second, be adaptable. Your planning needs can change, so choose tools that fit your current lifestyle. A planner that worked last year might not suit new responsibilities or goals this year, so be open to adjustments. Third is plan intentionally. Avoid buying planners or notebooks you won't use. Take stock of what you already own and align your purchases with your specific needs. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of new stationery, but being mindful prevents waste. Fourth, decorate in advance. If you like adding a creative touch, doing it ahead of time saves you from distractions later. Pre-decorating can also make your planners more inviting and fun to use throughout the year. Fifth, consider your planning style. Are you a visual thinker? Opt for planners and layouts that allow you to map out your thoughts clearly. If you prefer simplicity, go for minimalist design that keep distractions to a minimum. 6. Test new tools gradually. Try it for a few weeks to see if it integrates well into your routine. This prevents the frustration of abandoning an unsuitable tool mid-year. 7. Set realistic expectations. Not every page needs to be perfect or filled out daily. Planners and journals are tools to help you, not obligations to maintain flawlessly. 8. Prioritize functionality over aesthetics. While it's tempting to choose the prettiest planner, focus on whether it has the features you need. A visually appealing planner is great, but its usefulness should come first. 9. Incorporate digital tools if needed. If you're juggling a busy schedule, consider combining digital and paper planning to maximize efficiency. Digital tools can handle repetitive tasks, while paper planners let you focus on creativity and reflection. 10. Give yourself grace. Planning is a journey, and it's okay to make changes mid-year if something is not working. Flexibility is key to finding a system that supports your goals and lifestyle. 11. Choose the right size. Consider where and how you'll be using your planner or journal. A pocket-sized journal might be perfect for on-the-go notes, while an A5 or larger size might suit detailed planning at home. 12. Think about paper quality. If you use pens, markers, or watercolors, opt for journals with thicker bleed-resistant paper. This ensures a pleasant writing or drawing experience. 13. Start with what you enjoy. If you're new to journaling or planning, pick a style or system that excites you. This initial enthusiasm can motivate you to stick with your routine. And lastly, don't compare. Avoid the trap of comparing your system to others online. Focus on what serves you best rather than chasing trends. And that's my 2025 lineup. I've intentionally chosen tools I already have to stay mindful of my stationery purchases. Let me know in the comments what planners and journals you're using this year or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more journaling inspiration. Wishing everyone a blessed 2025 and see you next time. Bye!